Hi, my name is Zainab Al-Haki, and in this video I'm going to show you how to implement simple machine form and b2evolution blog. As well as at the end of this video I'm going to show you the feature that has b2evolution blog and simple machine form. At the first, we want to know what is simple machine form and what its purpose. Simple machine form is a free professional grade software package that allows you to set up your own online community within minutes. Its purpose is to offer a chance to establish a channel of communication between different people in the forum and to interact with each other in an easy way. Simple machine form has a list of requirements that need to be there before installing. It needs a web server with 20 megabytes at least of available disk space and web server that supports PHP, either IIS or Apache, a database server such as MySQL or SQLite. This is a design diagram for simple machine form to show you how to be built. Now we want to know what is b2evolution and what its purpose. b2evolution is a tool that allows you to build your own website. This ranges from just a home page to a full-featured site with multiple blogs. The purpose of writing blogs could be promotion of a product or service, awareness about social issues, information sharing about any subject or plan in a company. It has the same system requirement for simple machine form. Now let's start with the installation phase. In order to install web server IIS, we have to go to Manage, Add Rows and Features. In Server Roles, choose Web Server IIS. And we choose Web Server IIS because it's supported by Microsoft and provides access to an ET framework. And also it integrates with MySQL server, which is needed for installing the simple machine form and b2evolution blog. Then click Next. Next. In Raw Services, go to the Application Development and choose CGI. Then close. Now let's check if it's working or not. And yes, it's working. After installing web server IIS, now I have to install PHP, and I already installed PHP 7.1.5 because it's the last version that's released, and I did the configuration. Now I have to test if it's working or not by doing a small script in Notepad. And yes, it's working. You may face a problem while installing PHP and it couldn't be installed. This is because you haven't installed Microsoft Visual C++, so you need to install it, then install PHP. Now we have to install the MySQL database. I chose MySQL database because it's designed for the web and it's flexible and scalable. It has also a native supported for the casting edge technologies, and also it supports PHP language, which we needed for installing MySQL and database server. Now go to the command line. We have to create a database for a simple machine form. Write the password you bought while installation, and create the database by write the command create database and give the database a name, which is simple database, and it's created. Now we have to install the SMF simple machine form, which is here, and copy it to the local disk C drive and pop www and paste it here. Now we have to check if it's working or not. And yes, it's working. Click continue. An error has shows there shows that some files need to be writable for SMF to work properly. To solve this problem, we have to go to the simple machine form folder. Now we have to test again. Give a username, password, the database name that you created, which is simple database. Continue. Give the form a name. Click here to delete this file, this installed PHP file now, and you have to click here so that it will delete the file for security reasons, and your newly form is ready. Now let us start with the b2evolution blog. In order to install b2evolution blog, we have to install PHP, which we already installed and did the configuration. Now I will create a database server. I will choose another database server, which is MariaDB, to show that we can do the database in different resources. After installing, and automatically it will show the SQL, and we have to click on it. SQL database b2evolution, username b2evolutions, write a string password. Update config file. It's installing, and with the following credentials, go to front office, and here it is. Now you have to log in using the username and password that was given to you. And from here you can go to the admin account. The admin has a lot of features in terms of his profile. Let's change it to Zaina. b2evolution has these features is that we can add the link of the social media, which is Twitter, Facebook, and all whatever we want. Also, we can add another website if we want. Let's go to check the Twitter page. Another feature that b2evolution is offered is that Twitter plugin. If you add a post, automatically the post will be added on Twitter when it's published. Also, there is another feature is to add a new field, whatever you want, either a blog or whatever, and write the link. Profile has been updated. Also, another feature that b2evolution that give you is that you can add multiple blogs. Either you can create 2 or 3 or even 100 blogs at the same time. Each blog can be in a different folder or in a different domain, or you can choose to display several blogs at the same time. You can create a blog by go to back office and click new collection. Right, choose whatever you want. Is it forum? Is it gallery? Is it blog? I will choose home main. I will choose bootstrap scan because it is the mobile friendly scan, and then fill in the information about your blog. Give a short name. URL file name is that it will create a file, and it will gather all the information in this file in the system. The admin, you can either give simple permission or advanced permission. Simple permission will allow the owner to edit and delete the blog, and other people will only can see it. I will choose everyone can see it. Show in front of focus lists always at the top of the page. You can also add a tagline. And you can write a link to description. Then save changes. And here it is. You can view it, you can manage it, and whatever you want. And it says a collection created. Within b2evolution, you can add posts, and while you add a post, you have a lot of features that about your text. You can make it bold, italic, you can change the font family, type, you can increase the size of the text, centralize the text, and so many others. Also, b2evolution has the feature to add a picture or an attachment in the post, also in the comments. And from picture, you can add the picture. Then click a preview or make it as a draft or for public. I will make it for a public. I'll make it as a draft, save, and if you click on publish, it will automatically add the feature that we said about. It will be published in the Twitter automatically. Save. Post has been created. And here it has. Another advanced feature that b2evolution offers is to install a new skin for the blog or a theme as an add-ons feature. And now I will show you how to do this. We have to go to the b2evolution website and install the skin. And here I will choose a business. The skin has been installed. Now let's talk about simple machine forum features. As a newly registered users, they can install a new subject. They can choose this is a standard or whatever they want. They can start a new discussion. They can make it italic, change the text position. They can add smiley faces. Also, they can insert a picture or a hyperlink or whatever they want. And more other attachment and other option like notify me of replies, lock this topic, move this topic, and include and attach. Then you can click post. Another feature is that the users can send message to each others and read the messages. Here write the one you want to send a message to. Also, you can add a BCC subject, new message. You can save a copy in Outbox and send message. Being an administration, I have the privilege for add a group member and register a new member. As example, register a new member, which is this, and then click register. Being an administrator, also administrator can install a new packages by going to admin main and browse packages, and these are the new packages, which is font oasis on BCC, separate and read, edit and read. Also, there is a package of the moment, which is these are the packages that most of the administration is used at the moment. Let's click on font Aware on BCC, and then here that's the license and the language to install this package. Then click install now and follow the steps to install it. Thank you for watching the video, and here is some reflection about what was learned and something that I need to change it from my knowledge.